Explore the power of possibilities with Nichiha. Sierra Premium Shake offers shadows, performance, and drama. Available primed or in 3 pre-finished colors, Sierra Premium Shake features deep grooves and keyways, taking texture to the next level. Sierra's half-inch thick construction makes a statement unlike any other, and it's the highest rated product of its kind. Turn up the drama on your next project. Learn how to easily install Sierra Premium Shake. Part 1. General Installation Guidelines. Sierra Premium Shake must be installed over vertical wood framing spaced no greater than 16 inches on center with an APA-rated 7/16 inch minimum thickness plywood or OSB. A weather-resistive barrier is required in accordance with local building codes. For this demonstration, we are showing corner trim boards already installed. Refer to our corners video or printed documentation for more information on turning corners with Sierra Shake. Prior to installation, be sure to inspect all products thoroughly. When using a miter saw, cut the product face up. If using a handheld circular saw, cut the product face down. Ensure the cutting table does not damage the siding's finish by lining it with tape, foam, or other protective material. The bottom edge of the first course must have at least 6 inches of clearance to finish grade. When installing over a driveway or a sidewalk, a 2-inch clearance is acceptable. Mark the stud locations on the weather-resistant barrier. A starter strip is required to set the first course at the proper angle and to create a drip edge. To create the starter strip, cut a piece of Sierra Shake to a height of 1.25 to 1.5 inches. Fasten the starter strip level with the bottom of the wall sheathing or sill plate. Measure up from the bottom of the starter, subtracting 1/4 inch from the board height, and strike a level reference line for the first course. Where board ends and edges meet trim at inside and outside corners, doors, windows, and other trim attachments, leave a minimum 1/8 inch gap. Nichiha recommends using a pneumatic nailer to fasten the boards. However, screws must be used at board ends to ensure long-term performance. Use 1 5/8 long, corrosion-resistant, number 8 ribbed bugle head wood thread screws. For further information on proper fastening, please consult the printed installation instructions. Fasten the board at each stud location 3/4 to 1 inch down from the top of the board. Always use a screw 1 inch from the board ends. Vertical joints should land or break over studs or solid wood framing. Place a minimum 3-inch wide joint flashing behind butt joints. Flashing should extend a minimum of 2 inches above the top of the board. Use a color-matching PVC-coated or anodized aluminum coil stock flashing. All exposed field-cut ends and edges must never be left uncoated. Coat pre-primed boards with primer or acrylic latex paint. And coat pre-finished products with color-matching 100% acrylic latex paint. Do not use oil-based paint or stain. Install the next board of Savannah Smooth, butting the board against the installed board in moderate contact, using screws at each end of the board and nails in the field of the board. Install the second course overlapping the first course by 1.25 inches. Install the boards in a manner which minimizes the type of keyway alignment shown here. Avoid this keyway alignment by varying the horizontal overlap or by rotating the product. Fasten in the same manner using screws 1 inch from the ends and a pneumatic nailer at 16 inches on center in the field of the board. Stagger the joints by 16 or 32 inches to ensure a random appearance. When installing the last course, create a shim at the top of the last course by cutting a piece of Sierra Shake to a height of 1.5 inches to 1.25 inches. This maintains the proper rake angle of the siding, and be sure to prime or paint all cut edges. Caulk all gaps with a quality sealant that meets ASTM C920 requirements. Corner trim and other trim attachments must be of sufficient thickness. The overlapped board siding must not extend beyond the face of the trim. Touch up the boards with acrylic latex paint using a small paintbrush. Our partnership with PPG allows Sierra Premium Shake to be as luxurious as it is tough. Offering 5 layers of protection, Sierra remains looking beautiful for a long time. We start off with a durable, high-quality product and coat it with a strong sealer and primer. But it does not stop there. Next, our sandstone base coat infused with PPG's durable pigmentation provides the greatest level of protection for our fiber cement shake. Following the base coat is the PPG Duracolor semi-transparent finish that stands up against harsh weather elements. Topping it all off, we provide a second semi-transparent finish coat to ensure Sierra Premium Shake is protected for years to come. From the construction site to the final product, we'd love to see how you're using our products. Share your images with us at #NichiChat. For more videos and more information, visit us online at Nichiha.com.